This is the 2005 Robalo 225 aluminum trailer. She has not been detailed in the last few months, but she has been, hosed off and routine type cleaning. Overall, she's in great shape. It's a Bimini, which does fold up and has a sock that goes around it. There are a few spots on it, like right here is where this stripe was added, and then some of it has peeled away, but below it is the original hull from the factory. This is just sticker that somebody has placed over it. I am the second owner of the boat. The hubs have your typical light rust on them. They are rinsed thoroughly after each use, but typical hubs. Tread, the tires are less than a year old all the way around. It does have a spare. So we'll come around. Port side hull. It does have electric trim tabs. Speaking of hydraulic, she has adjust the tilt on the outboard, and there's also going to be one at the helm. She does have your typical wear and whatnot on the outboard and faded stickers. Right here is the ladder, folds up into there. The trim tabs are set whenever you shut down the engine. They will automatically retract to their highest point. Once we're in here, I do have personal items still in the boat. This is a large fish box. It runs the entire stretch there underneath the helm seat. You got your saltwater washdown. There's a freshwater washdown around there. Has the fish cleaning station, which easily can be removed there, and that is a tow ring for skiing and whatnot. Put a couple of rod holders off the stern. There's 4 built-in rod holders, 2 on each side here, and I added 2 additional on each side. This backrest comes out, and this drops down if you wanted to fully stand up against there while fishing. Also makes it easy to fold that entire system up, which inside of there, once we get that, if we were to lift that all the way up, it's a little heavy one-handed, but it does have the batteries in there, battery charger, and pumps. Over here we have a Livewell with light in there. Does have stereo. Overall, cushions are in good shape. There are some nicks on side bolsters, such as there, and the backrest here. But overall, it's in great shape. This drops down to where you can sit easily, where you can sit on it in its retracted position, but that makes it easy to stand when at the helm. And the wheel does have tilt to it. Then you have your Garmin Chartplotter there, and this right here is just Velcro for I Velcro my tablet on there, which has all of my waypoints and so forth. Here's your trim tabs, VHF, and of course you've got pressured water, a freshwater sink, as well as an ice box. Has bilge pumps, both aft and in the cabin. Down in the cabin, it does have a Porta-Potti and a spot to put a table. The table is in storage up underneath here. And then you've got your cushions. This does have wear on the corners of the cushion. That flips down, and then this cushion goes in place so you can fully sleep across. It has a stereo with Bluetooth, as well as an inverter in here for running the air pump for blowing up floats and whatnot. Like I said, she needs to be detailed inside. Still have not had the opportunity to do that, and still have personal items in her. But we do use the boat every nice weekend, sometimes multiple times in a week. So she is still used. That's the reason we haven't fully taken everything off, and no point in fully detailing whenever we're just going to use her again the next weekend. That's storage for tackle. There's more storage down in here, which is fairly large space. And it goes all the way up in there. You just have fenders and life jackets and that kind of thing sitting in there. Then there's even more storage here and up in there. Believe that covers everything. No issues with her. She starts right up every single time. Has about 11 drink holders on the boat, and again we have 10 rod holders now we have on here. Any questions, feel free to ask. Thank you for watching.